Hello friends, welcome to XG Learnings. So friends, in this video I'm gonna compare two neighboring countries. Yes friends, in this video I'm gonna compare India versus Bangladesh. As you know, topics are military power of both the countries, as well as population and defense budget, as well as total area of the both the countries. Video is going to be interesting. Let's get into the video. Before going into the video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel until now, and if you like the video, please press the like button below and share with your friends. This video is done only for the knowledge gaining purpose, not for any other purpose. So friends, first let me explain the geographical location of both the countries. So today's our first topic is continent in which both the countries are lying in. India is lying in the southern part of the Asia, whereas Bangladesh is also lying in the southern part of the Asia. Coming to the next topic, capital cities of both the countries. New Delhi is the capital city of India, whereas Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Coming to the next topic, population in both the countries. If we observe in India is populated with 130 crores 68 lakhs 34,042 members, whereas Bangladesh is populated with 15 crore 95 lakhs 53,000. If we observe the list of world's most populated nation, India is on top second most populated nation across the world, whereas Bangladesh is on 8th most populated nation across the world. Coming to the next topic, total area of both the countries. If we observe in India is with 58,87,263 square kilometers, whereas Bangladesh is with 1,47,570 square kilometers. If we observe the list of world's most biggest nation with respect of area, India is on 7th most biggest nation across the world, whereas Bangladesh is on 92nd biggest nation across the world. If we observe defense budget in both the countries, India providing $61 billion as a defense budget every year, whereas Bangladesh is providing $4 billion as a defense budget every year. If we observe most powerful nation with respect of military across the world, India is on 4th powerful nation across the world, whereas Bangladesh is on 45th powerful nation across the world with respect of military power. If we observe nuclear bomb count in both the countries, India consists of 150 plus nuclear bombs, whereas Bangladesh does not consist any nuclear bombs. Coming to the next topic, military personnel in both the countries. If we observe in India, 35 lakhs active and reserved military personnel are in India. If we observe in Bangladesh, 1,60,000 active and reserved military personnel in Bangladesh. Coming to the next topic, fighter aircraft interceptors in both the countries. India consists of 600 plus fighter aircraft interceptors, whereas Bangladesh consists of 45 fighter aircraft interceptors. Coming to the next topic, attacker aircrafts in both the countries. India consists of 200 plus attacker aircrafts, whereas Bangladesh consists of 45 aircrafts. Coming to the next topic, attacker helicopters in both the countries. If we observe in India consists of 750 plus attacker helicopters, whereas Bangladesh consists of 67 attacker helicopters. Coming to the next topic, combat tanks used in both the countries. India consists of 4,400 combat tanks, whereas Bangladesh consists of 320 combat tanks. Coming to the next topic, AFVs, armored fighting vehicles in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 8,700 AFVs, whereas Bangladesh consists of 1,000 AFVs. Coming to the next topic, rocket projectors in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 290 plus rocket projectors, whereas Bangladesh consists of 70 rocket projectors. Coming to the next topic, aircraft carriers in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 2 aircraft carriers, whereas Bangladesh does not consist any aircraft carriers. Coming to the next topic, frigates in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 15 frigates, whereas Bangladesh consists of 8 frigates. Coming to the next topic, corvettes in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 20 corvettes, whereas Bangladesh consists of 6 corvettes. Coming to the next topic, destroyers in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 11 destroyers, whereas Bangladesh consists of no destroyers. Coming to the next topic, submarines in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 16 submarines, whereas Bangladesh consists of 2 submarines. So friends, this is our today's comparison video in between Bangladesh and India. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please press the like button below and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel until now. Thanks for watching.